G'day guys and welcome to Fly by Fly, insights into aircraft ownership. We just returned from an amazing weekend in Bonn, Germany with blue skies and fantastic flying, but unfortunately the fun does kind of stop there because when you return you do have to actually clean your aircraft. It stops the bugs sticking there, it stops any corrosion of the aircraft, and it also makes you faster. The cleaner your plane is up in the skies, the faster you're actually going to fly. So unfortunately you do have to come home, do a bit of housekeeping. So here we are cleaning our Cessna152 that we bought in May 2023 of this year before we basically tuck it away for the night in our hangar. So this is old blue skies, our Cessna152, which you can see now is all sparkly clean.